Hey guys, it's Jennifer. Welcome back to Essential Oil Stories. In this video, I am going to help you to know what not to buy for your wife. I've been called a great gift buyer, a great gift suggester. So I'm going to help you to know what not to get and show you what you can get instead. Now, I do sell these items that I'm going to share with you, but I'm going to advise you, don't buy these for your wife. Just don't do it. Now, while I'm recording this video, it is Christmas time, but this video could be useful all year long for any kind of gift buying. My husband was such a sweetheart. I asked him if he would get me a steam cleaner for my kitchen floors for Christmas. Oh, no. I am not getting you a steam cleaner for Christmas. You can just go buy it for yourself, but I am not going to have that on my record. Nay. So the first thing that you should never buy your wife is a gym membership. That's just not a good idea. I don't even need to explain why that's a terrible idea. But don't get your wife a gym membership. Instead, you can get her the doTERRA Athletes Kit. It's awesome. Wives love little bags and holders and organizational tools to carry things in. It's awesome. It has the deep blue rub. It's great for sore muscles, whether it's yard work or because your wife bought herself a gym membership. It has these 5 essential oils by doTERRA: peppermint, on guard, melaleuca, lavender, and the breathe blend. This is a great gift to get your wife. Other fitness items probably shouldn't get your wife is yoga pants. I mean, you might as well just say, "Hon, would you fetch me my slippers so I can watch you walk down the hall?" Probably not. Instead, you could get her the Yoga Essential Oil Collection. It has 3 essential oils. One is the Steadying Blend, the Enlightening Blend, and the Centering Blend. And these smell awesome. Now, this might be obvious, but even though I sell these items, don't get your wife oral hygiene products. So as much as I love to get the On Guard toothpaste and the On Guard mouthwash for myself, I'm not going to give them as a gift to my husband. I mean, ew. No, I will give him a kiss, but not oral hygiene products. Cleaning stuff, don't get your wife cleaning stuff. Even though I love the On Guard laundry detergent and the On Guard cleaner concentrate is amazing also, I get those for myself, but don't get those for your wife. Another thing, don't get your wife deodorant. I mean, I do love this deodorant, but I advise you not to buy this for your wife for Christmas. I mean, maybe buy it for yourself as a gift to your wife for Christmas. That would be an awesome idea. But instead of the Balance deodorant, maybe get her the Balance Essential Oil. This smells wonderful, has all kinds of tree oils in it, but you can just suggest, I know that you're looking for more balance in your life, and I want to be a supportive person in helping you create that. So Balance Essential Oil would be a great substitute, not the deodorant. Another thing not to get your wife for Christmas is therapy. Don't buy her therapy. You could say, "Hey babe, I know I drive you crazy sometimes, so I got you this emotional aromatherapy kit." Because I know that you could use some peace in your life, and cheer and passion, motivate, forgive, and console. I do call this essential oil New Wife in a Bottle. Its actual name is Clary Calm, the monthly blend for women, but don't get this for your wife. I mean, ladies, if you're watching this, you can get this for yourself, and it would be like giving your husband a gift. Something else that I sell, but I advise you do not ever give this to your wife as a gift, is the Slim and Sassy Metabolic Blend Soft Gels. And it helps our metabolism in aiding with us to lose a little bit of weight while we're doing, clean eating and exercise and whatnot. Don't get this for your wife, guys. Instead, I know that your wife loves feeling beautiful. It's called it's a hydrating body mist, and it is infused with an essential oil blend called Beautiful. That is awesome. It smells amazing. It smells like fruity. I don't know some people think it smells like candy. It's so awesome. The blend, just take the cap off and she can use it like perfume. This absolutely would make her feel beautiful. You can tell her, babe, you are so beautiful to me that I know you love feeling beautiful, and this lady on YouTube told me that this will make you feel beautiful, as beautiful as I see you. Another essential oil that absolutely makes me feel beautiful is called Magnolia Essential Oil. Flower oils are known to be really, really great for your skin health. I like to put it on the backs of my hands. Other one is jasmine. It just smells absolutely gorgeous. Neroli is another essential oil that we have mixed with liquid coconut oil, and it smells like flowers and kind of fruity floral aroma and would make your wife feel beautiful. Rose essential oil, and not only does it help a woman feel beautiful, but is also very immune supportive. So in the winter time, rose oil is amazing for uplifting your mood and helping your immune system all at the same time. Oh, and by the way, flower oils tend to be aphrodisiac, so that might be helpful too. You maybe not want to mention that to her. And then we have our Passion Inspiring Blend, which smells super, super great. Here's what you do not want to buy your wife ever. Don't ever buy her a book like The Definitive Guide to Sleep Disorders or something like that. Just get her what she really wants. What she really wants is a diffuser. I assure you, I have never ever met a woman that didn't want an aromatherapy diffuser with an essential oil like Serenity Restful Blend. Which is amazing for sleep. I've never met a woman that bought one of these and is like, yeah, no, I guess I don't want a diffuser.
Listen here, I'm going to tell you how to really score some points with your wife, you guys, by giving your wife some time to herself. Yes, some self-care time. As a wife and mom, I always have somebody that wants something out of me. And when my husband says, babe, why don't you go take a bath and have some quiet time? I'm like, oh, baby, now that is some sweet talking. That is music to my ears. And it usually works out really well for him.
We have the exfoliating body scrub, which product hack. I like to use this for shaving my legs. And then the body butter, my husband likes to use this too. The items don't really smell like a female only would like it. Body butter, my husband likes to use it because it smells like frankincense and Douglas fir and grapefruit, and so it's a really fresh aroma that both the masculine and the feminine side could appreciate. And we have this great refreshing body wash that also has some fruity and tree scents as well. Very clean ingredients, and the Serenity Bath Bar is just really relaxing. So That always makes me feel like I'm in a spa. So if you need my help with buying gifts for your wife, that is a good idea. I can help you with that. I will have those links listed down below in the description. So now that you have the do's and don'ts, go shopping down in the description. I have a great promotion going on for December 2018, which I usually do every month, but this is for December 2018. I have a great promotion. Comment below if you want the details for that, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your buddies so you can help out some more husbands and some more wives. Okay, you guys, have a Merry Christmas.